Step 14, we are going to use the if function to figure out how much commission that Charlie gets each month. So if his total up here is more than 400,000, then his commission will be 2.5%. Otherwise, it will only be 1.5%. So the way to figure that out is we're going to use the if function equals if, and I'm going to double click on if. So we are looking at the total right here. And if this total, I'm sorry, no comma. If B9 is greater than 400,000, 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we will multiply B9 times, and you can do it either way. You can times it by 2.5 and put the percent sign in there, or you can turn it into a decimal, which would be 0.025. Either way is correct. Otherwise, if it's not greater than 4,000, then it will be B9 times 0.015. Or if you want to put 1.5 and use the percent sign, that is fine also. So let's see what that looks like. There we go. And we can copy this across. It's using relative cell reference, which means as we copy it across, it's going to look at February's total, March's total, and so on and so forth. Now, he actually only gets 85% of his commission. So to figure that out, we use multiplication. If we multiply 85% times this 10,000 figure here, it will tell us what 85% is of this number. And we want to see what all of these are at 85%. So all our formulas start with an equal sign, and we're going to multiply this number times this number, and we want to multiply all these numbers by this number. So this cell is going to get absolute cell reference so that we can easily copy it across. So I'm going to use my F4 key. Again, if your F keys have a different first job, you need to hold down your FN key to make the dollar signs to use it for your dollar signs. And I'm going to click on my check mark so that it stays in the cell, and I copy it across. So that was step 14 and step 15. In step 16, we're going to update these spark lines here to column. So once I selected them, I have my spark lines contextual tab, and I am just going to change these to markers, or columns, I'm sorry. We're going to come over here to the second group in the ribbon type and switch it to column. And then we're going to change the style to dark 4. So here's my styles, 1, 2, 3, 4. Change style, dark number 4, fourth column, fifth row. 1, 2, 3, fourth column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth row. That doesn't look right. 1, 2, 3, fourth column, 1, 2, 3. Better counting. Sorry, I went in the wrong direction. There we go. In the range A31 to A32, we're going to indent once. So down here, 31 and 32, we're just going to pull these in a little bit. I'm on my home ribbon in the alignment group right here, and I'm just going to increase the indent once. And that's a nice way to use that formatting tool sometimes.